This 1,3-dipolar cycloaddition provides easy access to highly functionalized bispirocyclic compounds. Such compounds contain important scaffolds that have been found in many natural products that exhibit important biological activities. We can apply this organocatalytic cycloaddition to prepare complex bispirocyclic scaffolds that contains 2 chiral spiral centers in only one step. This reaction affords high yields and excellent stereoselectivity. It is critical to ensure that all the reagents and solvents are dry before starting the reaction. Also, the cycloaddition reaction should be carried out under an argon or nitrogen atmosphere. Demonstrating the procedure will be Yaping Cheng, a grad student from my laboratory.
To prepare the pyrazolone, add 40 milliliters of glacial acetic acid to a 250 milliliter round-bottom flask containing a magnetic stir bar. Stir the solution at room temperature while adding 1 equivalent each of hydrazine and ethyl acetoacetate. Then equip the flask with a reflux condenser. Heat the reaction flask to 120 degrees Celsius in an oil bath while stirring for 3 hours. After cooling the flask to ambient temperature, remove the magnetic stir bar using a stir bar retriever. Concentrate the reaction mixture using a rotary evaporator at 60 degrees Celsius.